What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Let me give you an update about my Bybit Trading Bots. Okay, so currently I have 4 running bots. Okay, total investment was way hundreds, and my total P&L for the last 24 hours is 1.14. So I'm up 9.14 bucks. Okay, so let's go over to my running bots and let's see what's up. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the complete ones. I had another one, the Matic, so I'll deploy this bot prior to the pump. Okay, because as you can see right here, prior to this pump, right, so there was no pump, right, so Matic wasn't pumping, so I deployed the bots. I was in profit, but BTC pumped, all the other altcoins pumped, so Matic hit a stop loss and I got stopped. So if you click on details, we can see that this bot was performing really well prior to the pump. Okay, so the profit was $4. Okay, $4 prior to the pump. So I was up probably 2%, but the bot went out of range, so I got stopped because also I had a 7x great profit. Okay, 7x leverage, right? So if my leverage was a bit smaller, shorter, okay, I wouldn't be stopped. Okay, but we live and learn. That's why I'm still testing it out, these bots, testing different parameters, different leverage. As you can see right here, these new bots right now, they have a smaller leverage. Okay, that's why I haven't been stopped, but at the same time, the profits are smaller. But if you click on details right here, we can see details. We can see the bot has been trading. They have been doing what they're supposed to do, which is great. Okay, so total trades for the last 24 hours, 10 trades. Okay, total profit 283 bucks. Okay, great APR 517. Okay, so I am up 1.14% on this bot for the last 23 hours and 42 minutes. Okay, the reason why I launched neutral grid in all these 4 bots was because I was doing a price chart, and so we can start with DOGE. We were here. Come on. Where were we? We were around here. Okay. Prior to no, we were here. We were here, and then I was like, the bot. Sorry, we were here. It was around 18 when I started the trades. Okay, it was around this. We were around this green line, and then I was like, the bot will either go up or go down. If it goes up, it might go to this level or even to this level right here. If it goes down, it might reach this level or even this level right here. That's why I decided to make this rectangle right here. And if we measure from this blue line to this red line, it's about 36%, 37%. Okay, halfway, it's about 18, so it's halfway. Okay, so that was a perfect time to deploy the bot. So deploy the bot around here. So the neutral bot, the way it works is, so we are in the middle, so if it goes down, it will buy, and then it will sell, and it goes up, go buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. As long as you stay within the range, this green line right here, it will make profit. Okay, so that's why I found the real liquidity opportunity to deploy the bot. As you can see right here, it went up and now it's coming back down. Okay, so hopefully it will go below this line right here so we can make a little bit more profit before I shut it down. Okay, same goes to BNB. So BNB, all these 4 altcoins that I'm going to show you today, they were exactly in the same position. Okay, BNB was, that was it, today is the 14th. So BNB was right here, and again, I decided to deploy the bot because it was right in between. Okay, and the reason why I chose this pick right here is because is where BNB touched on the previous, on the 18th or 17th of 18th of March. Okay, BNB touched 345, so I'm like, okay, so if BNB goes up, it might go up all the way to 345 because eventually it will go back down because this is a serious resistance level. Okay, so it managed to break this one through. Okay, but it wasn't strong enough because sellers pushed the price back in. Okay, so if you go all the way up, we can see that 12% there. but if you come over here, we can see 6%. Okay, so it's roughly halfway through, and as you can see right here, BNB is back to where it was yesterday. Well, it's close, it's getting to it. Okay, it's back to where it was to it. Okay, so hopefully, like I said, it will jump all the way to 318 again. Okay, and then from there coming back up, and then on the way up, that's when I'm gonna close the trade, because I'm gonna make the profits on going down, and making profits on going up, because my bot is a neutral grid bot. Okay, same goes to Phantom. Okay, so same goes to Phantom. I deploy the Phantom bots around here. So all the bots I deployed at the same time, because I was like, yes, this either gonna go up or down, so we are in between. So I decided to deploy the bots right there. Okay, neutral grid bots, and then from here to here, it's about, hey, what is it? It's about 18%. So halfway through is about 9%, 10%. Okay, so it was in between. The reason why I chose this line right here, because if you go back in time, we can see that it touches right there. Okay, and in the past trades, you can see that it touches many times. So I decided to give a little bit of margin just above this resistance level, just in case Phantom goes all the way to here. And then over here, you know, this is a big support level. That's why I decided to deploy this neutral grid bot. And lastly, we have BTC. Okay, so usually when BTC dumps, all the other altcoins dump as well. Okay, I wanted to deploy ETH bots, but because there's a lot of news about ETH and staking and all that, so I was like, it might be a huge dump or a huge pump. So I decided not to touch ETH, just in case I go the opposite of the price chart. Okay, so BTC the same thing, guys. Neutral grid bot right there. So deploy, the low band is 28.6, higher band is 32.2k, right? And right now BTC is right there in the middle. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna wait and see. So it was about 12%. 6 was around here, right when I decided to, over here, 18 o'clock, when I decided to deploy the bots. Okay, actually it was 20 o'clock, because over here shows 24 hours. So it was around 19 and 8 and 20. Okay, 19 and 20. But yes, so as you can see right here, BTC is dumping. So let's see how far BTC will go. So I would like to see BTC going all the way to here, 28k, and then from there bounce back up. Okay, but you know, so I can make a little bit of more profits. But if it doesn't happen, no problem. Okay, because we're still in the green, so all good. So the bots, they are just marking 24 hours now, and those are the figures. Okay, so I might terminate this bot soon, so I might set the taking profits for 3%. So once it hits 3%, the bots will get shut down, and then from there I'll do another TA and see what's up. See if I gotta go long, short, or another neutral grid bot. But so far the bots are doing what they're supposed to do, so I'm gonna let them run for a few more hours, and according to BTC, depending what BTC will do, okay, I will then reprogram my bots, or maybe terminate them. Okay, but yeah, if BTC breaks below 28.6, I might have to readjust my bots. Okay, if not, if BNB touches 28.6 and bounce back up, I will have to stay alert, and once BTC comes to about 30k again, that's when I'm gonna cancel my bots, because that's where I'm gonna make the most of the profits. Okay, so that's just an update about my Bybit trading bots, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.